Right, listen up. We are not making just another burger today. Forget everything you think you know about a patty on a bun. This is not some sad, floppy disgrace you'd find at a drive-thru. Today, we are creating a culinary masterpiece, a symphony of flavor and texture that will absolutely blow your mind. We're taking the king of the sea, the sweet, succulent lobster, and pairing it with the undisputed champion of the land, the rich marbled Japanese Wagyu beef. It's the ultimate surf and turf, a collision of pure, unadulterated luxury held together by a beautiful brioche bun. Don't mess this up. First things first, you can't build a masterpiece with rubbish. Your ingredients are the foundation of this entire dish, so get the best you can possibly find. For 2 magnificent burgers, you need 1 beautiful fresh live lobster, weighing about 1.5 pounds, and 1 pound of genuine Japanese A5 Wagyu from the ribeye area. Your tools are just as important as the ingredients. A chef is nothing without their knives. You'll need a large, sharp chef's knife, a meat grinder, and a heavy-bottomed cast-iron skillet. This is mise en place, everything in its place. Get organized, show some discipline, and you'll cook like a professional. Now that you have your arsenal, it's time to get into the battle. This beautiful creature deserves respect. Place the tip of your chef's knife at the cross on the back of its head and press down firmly. It's instant. Don't be squeamish, show some backbone. Plunge the lobster head first into furiously boiling salted water. Cook for exactly 7 minutes, not 6, not 8, then immediately into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Now for the extraction. Twist off the tail and claws, crack the shells carefully and extract the meat. Don't forget the knuckles, there's beautiful sweet meat in there. Melt butter with crushed garlic over low heat. Don't let it brown. Add the lobster chunks and poach for just 60 to 90 seconds until warmed through and coated in glorious butter. Cut your A5 Wagyu into 1-inch cubes and freeze for 15 minutes. We're grinding it ourselves with a coarse plate. Cold fat grinds cleanly and won't smear, which would ruin your burger. Pass the cold cubes through just once. Look at that marbling. This fat will melt and baste the burger from inside, creating the juiciest, most tender patty you've ever experienced. With wet hands, gently shape into thick patties. Don't compact like you're making bricks. Make a slight dimple in the center to prevent puffing up. Do not overwork the meat. Season only the outside just before cooking with sea salt flakes and freshly cracked pepper. No garlic powder or other rubbish. That's all this incredible beef needs. Simplicity, elegance, perfection. Get that cast iron screaming hot until you see smoke. Place your seasoned patties in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of success, of a perfect crust forming. Don't touch it for 3 minutes. Let the Maillard reaction build that gorgeous crust. Flip once, cook another 2 to 3 minutes for perfect medium rare. Cooking a 5 Wagyu well done is a crime. Toast the brioche in that delicious Wagyu fat. Mix Japanese mayo with sriracha and lemon, a creamy, tangy sauce that cuts through the richness. Bottom bun, sauce, lettuce, tomato, your perfectly rested Wagyu patty, then pile that glorious lobster meat on top. Don't be shy. Finish with chives and crown it with the top bun. Serve immediately with crisp fries and champagne. Stand back, admire your work, and take a bite. That is what victory tastes like. Absolutely stunning. Well done.